Dear students, I'm on page 25 and I'm going to demonstrate how to play the song What Can I Share? Sorry. First of all, before we start working on a song, you have to learn about legato playing or what is a slur. So, slur is a long horizontal line, okay, that connects notes. So in other words, legato shows you that you have to play connected. So if you play like this, that's detached and that's disconnected. Now if you hold and move from one finger to another finger, that's a legato playing or connected. Okay, same for the right hand. So this is really detached. So that's non-legato, not connected. Now, if you go one note at a time and connect the notes, that means you're playing legato. So looking at the chords, I see that you will have to play the C chord with your right hand and a G7, B, F, G, and again C chord. So let's practice the chords in the right hand. C chord, G7 chord, and again C chord. Okay, and if you look at systems number 3 and 4, system means this brace shows you that you play the treble clef and bass clef at the same time. So this is system number 1, then system number 2, system number 3, and system number 4. And you have 4 bars or 4 measures in each system. Okay, so I'm on system number 3 in the second measure. Left hand looks like I need to play a C chord, then a G7 chord, B, F, G, and again a C chord and nothing, and then again C chord, G7 chord, and a C chord. Okay, and you see the names of the chords here in abbreviations. So this C stands for the chord. Okay, G7 stands for this chord. Okay, and again C for this chord, same as here for the left hand. You see a C here and the chord is here, G7 here, and the chord is over here. All right. Now, let's work on the melody. Melody is the song. Chord means accompaniment. Accompaniment is like a background, like a support to the melody. Melody is something that you would hum and whisper. We can't hum or whisper chords because chord is a combination of 3 sounds played simultaneously. We cannot possibly produce with our voice 3 sounds at the same time. All right, so the melody is played with your left hand. Okay, you're in C position, finger 3, you start on E. I'll name the notes. E, F, G, C, D, E, 3, 4 times. E, F, G, C, D, C. Okay, now it looks like the melody goes to the right hand. E, F, G, C, D, sorry, E, 3 beats, 4 half notes with dots. E, F, G, C, 3 beats, D, 3 beats, and C is a tie, so you hold it literally for 6 beats, and you're done. Okay. Now I can play and name finger numbers. So we start with the left hand. 3, 2, 1, 5, hold, hold. 4, hold, hold. 3, hold, hold. 3, 2, 1, 5, hold, hold. 4, hold, hold. 5, hold, hold. Now the melody switches to the right hand. I start on finger 3 and go up stepwise. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Skip down to middle C. Finger 1. 1, hold, hold. 2, hold, hold. 3, hold, hold. Same finger. 3, 4, 5. 1, hold, hold. 2, hold, hold. 1, hold, hold, and continue holding. 1, 2, 3. Because the last note, C, has a tie to the very final bar. Now, let's play 2 hands and count out loud. Get your right hand to the C chord. Both hands in C position for now. And then kind of glance at the right hand. How would you switch from C chord to a G7 chord? Okay, if you need to review the chords, just review the chords before you start practicing 2 hands. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Melody in the right hand. Get the chords in the left hand. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now I have to tell you something very important, how the 3/4 time works. So after beat 3, you have to immediately count beat 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, why I pay attention to this? Because I already know that some of the students like to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But are they counting in 3/4 time, or they count 3 but actually give the third beat 2 beats? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is incorrect. Please count several times with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The length of each beat should be the same, okay? So I prefer you to play in a slower tempo, but do not get stuck between the bars and literally add more time to the third beat, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we need to have a continuous motion from beat 1 to 2 to 3 to 1 to 2 to 3. All right, so I hope that you will enjoy working on the song What Can I Share from page 25. If you have any questions, please let me know, send me an email, and I will easily arrange a Zoom consultation for you individually if you need help. Thank you very much. Start practicing.